Hey there, lovely viewers, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our incredible community. Today's topic is one that's oh so relevant in our modern world, understanding how to use credit cards smartly. Now, before you swipe that plastic, make sure you stick around till the end because I've got some real nuggets of wisdom to share with you. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Picture this: you are at the checkout counter, and the cashier asks, credit or debit? You smile and confidently say, credit. But hold on, what's the difference? Well, my friends, a credit card is like a double-edged sword. It's a powerful tool for building your financial profile and earning rewards, but if not used wisely, it can lead to a mountain of debt faster than you can say, interest rates. So, segment 1 is all about understanding the power and perils of plastic. While using the credit card for making a payment, you are essentially using bank's money, the money you do not own. It feels great, you are able to buy things even if you do not have money, you have the convenience of paying, no need to carry cash. And lastly, you may get some reward points too. So many benefits, sounds too good to be true. But what is the catch? Let us watch ahead. Segment 2 is where the magic happens. I'm going to walk you through the building blocks of a smart credit strategy. First up, it's all about choosing the right card. Not all credit cards are created equal, and finding one that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals is key. Some are good for travel-related awards, some are co-branded with e-commerce sites. Take a look at credit limit, free credit period, rate of interest, reward points and annual fees while choosing the right card. Then, we'll tackle the importance of setting a budget, yes, even with credit cards. You should have a monthly budget deciding how much you can spend. This should be dependent upon your disposable income. Do not breach that, as it may lead to a situation which can lead to either very high interest cost or maybe even default. Keeping your expenses within the budget means that you should settle your credit card dues monthly and never default. This will help in building a good credit score as you are creating a good repayment record. This will give confidence to your future lenders that you are a dependable borrower, who repays the debt in timely fashion. A good credit score means lower rate of interest in future and maybe even a higher borrowing limit. Who doesn't love perks, right? We're diving into the wonderful world of rewards. Most of the cards will give you reward points for spending on card and then repaying the money. These reward points can be in many forms: cashback, travel miles, points. Check the reward scheme carefully. While spending on card, keep reward points in mind to maximize your rewards. Over a period of time, the points accumulate, and you may be able to buy a vacation or any favorite item just with points. Now, it's time for a reality check. There are some pitfalls you need to avoid at all costs. Not following these can lead to a disastrous situation. First and foremost, never default on your credit card bill payment. Generally, card company may give you an option to repay the whole amount due or a part of it. Some banks may also offer to convert your expenditure into a short-term loan. You choose depending upon your budget and cash flow. However, never ever default. At least pay the minimum due. Any default will lead to your credit score taking a nosedive. A bad credit score means your ability to borrow will reduce in future. And if at all any bank is willing to lend you, they may charge higher rate of interest. So, buying your favorite house or car in future will become difficult. Second, if you choose to make a part payment, card company will charge you interest on the total bill. Generally, interest on credit card outstanding is very high. Credit card outstanding is treated like an unsecured loan, so rate of interest could be very high and very soon it could balloon out of hand. Last but certainly not least, we've reached the grand finale, segment 5. I like to call this the golden rule of credit card smartness: only charge what you can pay off. It's simple, really. If you can't pay the balance in full when the bill arrives, it's time to reassess your purchases. Best idea is to keep your expenses within limits so that you are able to repay your monthly bills in full within the due date. So, you are getting the convenience of plastic, earning reward points, and yet not paying any interest as you are settling the bill in full in time. This is the best situation to be in. And before we wrap things up, I have a small favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, and I truly hope you have, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all our insightful content, just like this one. Remember, knowledge is power, and together, we're on a journey to financial brilliance.